Ever had a server crash because the disk ran out of space? In this video, I'll show you how to automatically monitor disk usage and alerts or exit when it crosses a limit. First in Bash, then we will try in Python. Hi everyone, welcome to 100 useful scripts for sysadmins. Today's script checks how disk use space in your root file system, and exist if it exceeds 85%. You can use this in cron jobs, CI pipelines, or monitoring hooks. So let's start with the Bash version first. So we're going to create a file. Let's put in script 1 disk check.sh, and then we will declare that we want to use the bash shell here. Then we'll have a variable for our threshold, which is set to 85%. Then we'll declare a variable that prints out a percentage used for the root file system. So it'll be output equals %, and then the root directory, and then we will tail -1, so we need to find the last line. So tail uses the last line of this output, and then we will remove the non-numeric characters from these input. And then we will echo the usage. And if it exits, the script will exit with 1. So we set the variable threshold to 85, and then we use df to find the percentage being used in the root directory, and then we take the last input that comes out, and then we make sure that only numeric characters are being checked, and then we echo out the result, and then we basically set a exit like a return value, so we can use it probably to, let's say if we want to feed this into an alerting system or into a log, we can do so, or we can also use this for the system to send out an email alert. So we will switch to the Python script here. So I'll leave this up so we can compare side by side while we're working through the scripts here. So we're just going to do vim script 1 and then we will declare our Python. So we're going to use Python 3. So we're going to use import shutil, which gives us total used and free bytes cross-platform. We'll also import sys. We'll set the threshold to 85%, just like the bash. Then we'll use the disk usage module to find the information that we need. So we'll get a raw number, so we have to convert that into percentage. Use times 100. Over total. And if percentage exceeds the threshold, we will exit with 1, the value 1. And this is to use as we've done in the bash script. So we'll be using this to, let's say, call another function perhaps, or even have the system pick up in its logging system for alerting and observability in our system. So yeah, so let's save both of these. And then we have to make sure that these scripts are executable. So let's try to run the bash script first. As you can see, it's giving us 46% in use. We can also trace by using -x, and it will show you step by step how the bash script is being executed. Now we will try to run the Python script. Looks like we have an error. It's likely due to an error with the term here. So let's try to fix this. Yep, so I made a typo here. Should be used. Let's try running this again. As you can see, 43%. Let's again look at these two scripts here. So both relies on external commands like df. Bash relies on external commands like df, tail, and tr. So it's lightweight, but very shell specific. Python's approach, however, is built in using built-in sh util, making it portable and safer. In Bash, missing tools or localization in df output can break parsing. Python avoids that issue entirely. So you can, as mentioned previously, you can extend the Bash version to send an email or use Logger for system logs. In Python, you can easily integrate it with monitoring APIs or Prometheus exporters. But remember, always test with artificial thresholds before deploying in production. Thanks for joining.